I have a huge box of P.Louise. So if you want to see what's in this big guy, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is in the other room. I just got finished filming something else, but she is doing her advanced debate league, so Dexter's with her and Bandit's hanging out with my mom. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, collabs, giveaways, fashion, all kinds of fun stuff. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have been big into P.Louise lately. I got their budget box. I only used that for the Easter Golden Box hunt, but I had already claimed the FabFitFun one. And then after that, I ordered the P.Louise one, but Carol had already gotten it, and it was the winner of the Easter Golden Box hunt. She had the best box. There's no prize, it's just bragging rights. But anyway, Carol was the winning box, and there were a couple others that were like just tied up with her, but there were some really great boxes in that. The giveaway is over, but there were some great boxes. So if you're considering a box and you're not sure what to get, check it out. You'll see some really great boxes in there. All right, but anyway, I've been big into P.Louise, and they often have these boxes that they curate with their products. And a few weeks ago, they said it was Members Weekend, and they had a 20% off coupon. So this was $99, but I got it for 20% off. So I thought, all right, well, that's a pretty good deal for everything that's in here. And I mean, you guys can see how big this is. Now, P.Louise does lots of fun, fresh scents in their products. So it's always fun. Like, they'll have marshmallow, fruity cereal, candy floss, which is cotton candy, but it sounds so much more fun as candy floss. Just a lot of like really fun scents. I just opened up a blue raspberry box with like all blue raspberry products. This one has a lot of bath products. I don't know that it has any makeup in it. I don't feel like it does. I think this is mostly skincare. And then the packaging. So inside that box is this bunny basket. Now, I do have a niece and a nephew, and how cute will this be for their Easter gifts next year? Now, my mom mostly does Easter gifts for them, but I'm going to set this aside for her with the box to mail it in. I think that will be so cute. And I know like my niece will like it better, but you can't, you kind of have to like give them equal. First of all, it smells amazing in here. It is full of, and look at those little ears. I mean, that's just adorable right there as an Easter basket. All right, let's get into the products. First, we have their Soak It All Up. So this is Strawberry Shortcake is the theme scent. And this is a bath soap, and it looked so amazing. Now, inside, they have this cute little scoop. Look at that, heart-shaped. And then here is your product. How pretty is that to have out on your bathroom counter? And then there it is inside. Oh, you're going to be smelling like a snack after this. Next, we have some So Smitten sticks in Hot Topic and Bunny Business. And I think these are Cheek cream blush sticks. All right, there is that Bunny Business and Hot Topic. So similar colors. I'll compare them. I want to make sure I get them in the right. All right, so from here you can see the Hot Topic is a little bit more pigmented than the Bunny Business. There is also a tumbler cup in here. Now, if my mom sees this, she'll be like, why do you have another cup? What am I going to do? So there it is. It's a nice insulated cup and so pretty with that bunny design, that kind of sweet little Kind of looks kind of like an old-fashioned bunny design. Really like that. I thought it was just going to be a plastic cup, but now that I see it and see that it's an insulated tumbler, I'm super excited about it. We have the Hold On Tight Gripping Dewy Setting Spray in Strawberry Shortcake. All right, so there it is. Let's Oh, my Lanta, I will use this all the time. It smells so good. The Handed Over Hydrating Hand Serum. Now, fun fact, this is the whole reason I bought this box. I couldn't find it on their website, and I said, oh, my hands are awful, awful. I need that. I mean, I don't, but I don't think I have any hand serum. So there it is, and it's clear. Smells delicious, feels really nice, really lightweight. It's not a hand cream, it's a hand serum. The One Mist Moisturizing Mist. So this is not a setting spray. It's just like, you know, you're hot, you're going through menopause maybe, you got a hot flash, give yourself a little spray. There is that. What does it say? It says, give your skin a fresh start with One Mist, the all-in-one burst of hydration, glow, and renewal. This ultra-fine moisturizing spray instantly revives dull, tired skin, leaving it soft, dewy, and radiant. Formulated with advanced actives and botanical extracts, One Mist refreshes instantly while supporting long-term skin health. Hydrolyzed DNA helps repair and smooth, glycoproteins strengthen and energize, and black truffle extract rejuvenates for a youthful, revitalized appearance. A sugar complex locks in lasting moisture, keeping your complexion bouncy, supple, and luminous all day. Lightweight, fast-absorbing, and deliciously scented, One Mist brings calm and care to your routine, the perfect pick-me-up in a single spritz. Next, we have the Layers of Love Milky Oil Body Emulsion. So this is going to provide deep nourishment and radiant hydration, enriched with a brightening complex of niacinamide and vitamin C. This lightweight yet intensely conditioned formula helps to even skin tone and restore a healthy glow. There's a blend of linseed, sunflower, and grapeseed oil, which replenishes the essential lipids, leaving the skin velvety soft and smooth. Purslane and rosemary extracts paired with carnosine provides soothing care while reinforcing the skin barrier and protecting against environmental stressors. You're going to shake this well to blend the milk and oil layers and apply a small amount to clean, dry skin and gently massage it in. So this is for the body, not necessarily the face. And that kind of drew me to this, was that this was more body care than face care. It's still all skin care, but I liked that it was more body care. I'll show you the whole bottle, right? Then last is the Moisture Magic Lip Balm and Lip Scrub. And wait till you see how cute this lip balm is. This is the lip scrub, and their lippies often come with these little clips. I don't think I would take this to go. Like, I'm not gonna scrub my lips during the day, but look at this lip balm. How cute is that? So it looks just like the packaging that I always love, but I have to convince myself that no, you don't need this. You can throw this out. And it's in this little mini lip balm, which then looks like that. So it's just a clear, deliciously scented lip balm. All right, so that was what was in this box. And again, I got it for 20% off. So I got it for like $79 because it was $99, give or take. And they often have collections like this at a discounted price. Like right now they have a collection of 3, 4, I don't know what it is in American, because I just saw it advertised on Instagram, 18 pounds. So I don't know, like maybe $24, $25 American, and you're gonna get 3 full-size products. And I think you can choose your, well, I know you can choose like your scent line from whatever their variety is that they're offering that particular thing in. So you're just going to go on their website and look for their bundles, and you're going to find all kinds of great bundles, a way to try out some products but save some money. All right, so my favorite, that's a hard one. So I thought it was going to be the hand serum, and I do really like it. And I also really like that cute little lip balm. But I think it's going to be this face spray. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.